Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out your boss has been replaced by a robot. Sounds crazy? Well, that's the power of artificial intelligence. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain what AI really is, how it works, and how it's already changing your life, even if you don't realize it. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI is simply machines that can think and learn like humans. Instead of just following fixed instructions, they can analyze data, recognize patterns, and even make decisions. Think of AI as giving computers a brain, except this brain can process information 1,000 times faster than us. But don't worry, it's not about robots plotting world domination, at least not yet. How does AI work? AI works by using algorithms, fancy word for step-by-step instructions, and feeding them tons of data. For example, show an AI 1 million pictures of cats, and it will eventually recognize a cat better than you do. Give it thousands of voice samples, and boom, it understands your accent better than your teacher. This process is called machine learning. The more data, the smarter it gets. Some AIs even mimic the human brain using neural networks, which is why they can now generate art, music, pictures, and videos. Now here's the exciting part. AI isn't the future. It's already here, and you're using it every single day without even noticing. When Netflix suggests your next binge watch, that's AI. When Google Maps reroutes you to avoid traffic, AI again. When Siri or Alexa answers your questions, you guessed it, AI. Here's the surprising fact. AI is even used in hospitals to detect diseases faster than doctors, and in banks to catch fraud before it happens. Scary, right? But also amazing. Here's the truth. AI isn't just some tech buzzword. It's something that will directly affect your job, your studies, and even how you live. Think about it. Some jobs will vanish, new jobs will be born, and those who learn how to use AI will be the ones ahead of everyone else. So the question isn't, will AI change the world? It already has. The real question is, will you adapt or be left behind? And here's the best part. AI isn't just for tech geniuses. Anyone, including you, can start using AI tools right now to make life easier, whether that's for studying, creating content, or even running a business. But here's the catch. Most people don't even know these tools exist. So in my next video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that can save you hours every single day. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to ThinkTechAI, and hit the bell so you're ready for the next one. AI's changing the world. The only question is, are you ready to change with it?